Welcome to this tutorial on customizing KeyHelp with the white label function. With the help of this, you can change the appearance of your control panel. You can find white labeling under Configuration and then under Appearance. This can only be used by the main administrator. In the overview, you will find all languages in which KeyHelp is currently available, allowing you to make language-specific white label settings. In that case, you would click on the pencil icon in the row of the corresponding language. However, it is recommended that you make your white label settings under the item All Languages, so that your customers can definitely see your design if they have set a different language in KeyHelp. The language-specific settings will then help you for the text that you have entered in the footer, for example. So we click on the edit icon at All Languages. In the first field, you can enter your product name. Everything that is defined in the control panel with the name KeyHelp will then be replaced by your product name. You can then redefine the page title below. Type in your desired name here, which will then appear at the top. To replace the favicon directly next to it, upload it under the term favicon, and after saving it, it will then appear directly next to your page title. Then you can upload a banner for the internal area. This is the logo here at the top left. If possible, use an SVG file for the banner, so a scalable vector graphic, which ensures the best results with different screen resolutions. You can adjust the banner for the external area below, which is a logo that appears on the login screen. Next, the footer can be freely defined by typing in the text below it. Visual adjustments using HTML or CSS, for example, also work here. Further adjustments are possible with the help of the CSS and the JavaScript box, with which you can make KeyHelp even more individual. You can also define trusted sources if you want to integrate scripts or styles from external sources and thereby release them. Using the checkboxes below, you can choose not to display KeyWeb product recommendations, as well as hide the changelog and the KeyHelp news on the start page. In addition, you can hide the help links individually for the administrator or user area, or link to your own help or contact page. With a click on Save, your adjustments will be applied directly. On the overview page, you can then see at a glance which changes you are currently using, highlighted with the check mark. All the components can then still be edited via the pencil symbol, and you can, for example, remove banners and insert new ones. To undo all settings, click on the symbol next to it. If several adjustments have been made, even in different languages, you can click on the button Reset All Settings. Furthermore, the KeyHelp white label function also offers the possibility to export and save your settings and then import them back into KeyHelp. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial.